Nestled next to Interstate 5, south of Tacoma, is Camp Murray, headquarters for the Washington National Guard. 120,000 plus vehicles pass by it daily. The statue Spirit of the Guard, sculpted by Gareth Curtis when its studio was in Shelton, stands just in front of Building 1, where the Adjutant General's hat hangs on a normal duty day. 400 feet to the south is Building 2, built in 1916 and thought to be the oldest continuously used military building in the state. To the everyday I-5 commuter, it appears to be just another old building. To many at Camp Murray, it appeared to be just another old building too, some believing there good reason to avoid it, as oftentimes strange noises are heard to emanate from the structure well into the dark hours of the night.
Great, and you finish one off and you start on the next one. And
hearing rumors of whispered speculation about the building's noises, our producers sent our undercover GoPro reporter to investigate. The footage you see here was shot in the course of the investigation.
Well, I hear what you're saying. I guess what I would worry about is having only one. It's gotta be smarter than, yeah, smarter than you gotta release the pressure, then click that one so it comes off.
Well, some of our flexes is because these bolts here aren't tight.
It'd have to be awfully heavy.
About looking 40 pounds.
Where's this buckle listed? That's the U.S. buckle listed here.
Yeah.
Leather waist belt?
You're not on America's 10 Most Wanted, are you?
No, but I might be after this.
Could it be that Building 2 is really a skunk works in disguise? A more obscure Washington Area 51 of sorts? One thing is for sure. Some very interesting work is being done in the depths of Camp Murray's Building 2.
Hey, you're pulling it off.
Come this way. Okay, now go forward. Now, Mac, we gotta turn towards him.
I can't turn any.
Oh, you can't? Oh, you would have to turn